After Mahayuti's thumping victory in Maharashtra, all eyes will now be on who will be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The frontrunners for the CM post are Eknath Shinde and Devendra Fadnavis. Reacting to the thumping victory of the NDA and the question of who will be the next Chief Minister of the state, Eknath Shinde, Fadnavis and Ajit Pawar, all three of them said that the three parties will sit together and decide. Sources have informed India Today that Eknath Shinde has claimed for the top job as Ladki Behin scheme was his brainchild. The scheme which reversed the Lok Sabha poll mandate.
आज का दिन देखना चाहते थे, उसके लिए सबने मिलकर मेहनत की है। अब इसके आगे पार्टी लीडरशिप निर्णय लेगी कि इसके आगे के लिए महायुति के लिए लीडरशिप कौन सी अच्छी है, उस हिसाब से वो डिसाइड करेंगे।
सच बोले तो ये बहुत ही भाग्यशाली दिन है सबके लिए, आदरणीय अजित दादा के लिए, राष्ट्रवादी के लिए और सब जनता के लिए, हमारे बारामती के लिए, क्योंकि बारामती के लोगों ने अपना सच्चा मत दादा की बाजू में दिया है और मैं सब हमारी बारामती की जनता का पूरे हृदय से धन्यवाद बोलना चाहती हूँ उनको, उन्होंने दादा का साथ दिया।
आपने आशीर्वाद दिया।
मैं बताना चाहता हूँ कि महायुति का ही सीएम बनेगा और बट ऑब्वियस जिस पार्टी बड़ी है उस पार्टी को ज्यादा चांस रहता है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी आज 125 के आसपास जाने की शंका अपना चांसेस है और मुझे लगता है भाजपा का सीएम बनेगा तो हमारे देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब ही इस महाराष्ट्र के मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे।
And with that, the race for Maharashtra Chief Minister has begun. Maharashtra Charaja Kaun? Will it be Devendra Fadnavis or Eknath Shinde? Ajit Pawar too has thrown his hat in the ring. Publicly, all three have said that the decision on the next Chief Minister will be taken by the three parties together.
Mahayuti has scored a double century on what was meant to be a tricky wicket, shattering records, creating history. And suddenly, the Grand Alliance is a problem of plenty. Three leaders fancying their chances at landing the top job in Maharashtra. A sitting Chief Minister, a former Chief Minister, and a long-time Chief Minister aspirant. Chief Minister Eknath Shinde has emerged as a strong Maratha leader. After dropping the Sena UBT, he settled the debate on who's the true inheritor of Bal Thackeray's legacy.
महाराष्ट्र के तमाम मतदाताओं को बहुत-बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ, उनका अभिनंदन करता हूँ, क्योंकि ये विक्ट्री जो है ये लैंडस्लाइड विक्ट्री है।
हमारी तीनों पार्टियां बैठेगी, हमारे जैसे आपको बताते हैं, जैसे हमने सीटों का बंटवारा हुआ, हमें कोई मतभेद हमारे में नहीं थे, आज भी कोई मतभेद नहीं है। हम हमारे वरिष्ठ और हम लोग बैठकर उसके ऊपर निर्णय लेंगे।
While Shinde is cautious about making claims to the CM's post, his supporters aren't shying away.
कार्यकर्त्याला विचारलं तुम्ही तर कार्यकर्ता नरेश मस्कीजींना विचारलं, लांडगे साहेबांना विचारलं किंवा फाटक साहेबांना विचारलं, ते ऑब्वियसली बोलणार की कार्यकर्त्याची इच्छा असते की त्याचा नेता सर्वोच्च पदावरती पोहोचला पाहिजे। तर तसं सिंपल आहे, कार्यकर्त्याला स्वाभाविक आहे की वाटणं की बाबा शिंदे साहेब जे मुख्यमंत्री झाले पाहिजे।
The big claimant and probably the front runner is this man, Devendra Fadnavis, who missed the spot by a whisker in 2019 when Shiv Sena walked and again in 2022 when the leadership picked Shinde over him. The BJP is winning more than 100 seats and will be just a few seats short of majority on its own. It's the only party to cross the 100-seat mark for 3 consecutive years since 1990. The current Deputy Chief Minister has become a strong contender with the BJP's stellar performance and strike rate of 85%.
महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने जो अप्रत्याशित इस प्रकार की जीत हमको दी है, इससे ये बात पूरी तरीके से स्थापित होती है कि महाराष्ट्र ये प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के पीछे है। मैं विशेष रूप से हमारी लाडली बहनों का, लाडले भाइयों का, लाडले किसानों का, सभी का बहुत आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं।
The third pillar of the Mahayuti alliance, Ajit Pawar, has made no bones about his CM ambitions, but his claim would be the weakest given his party, the NCP, is the smallest in the alliance. Ajit may have to take solace in his victory over his uncle Sharad Pawar in the Battle of Pawars.
Who should be the chief minister?
Well, again, that is one question that only three parties, when they sit together, can answer.
The final call on who becomes the chief minister will be taken by the High Command in Delhi. Will it be one of these three or a wild card? The BJP's top brass is known to throw up googlies when it's least expected. Bureau Report, India Today.
The top story, it's a tsunami for Mahayuti in Maharashtra. The BJP-led alliance is headed for an unprecedented 3/4 majority in the state in the biggest victory for a pre-poll coalition since 1972. The opposition NDA could even be reduced to less than 50 seats. Here's a report.
Historic landslide for the Mahayuti in Maharashtra. The BJP-led alliance scripting a never-before poll super smash with a brute majority, leaving the Mahavikas Aghadi far, far behind.
महाराष्ट्र की जनता ने जो अप्रत्याशित इस प्रकार की जीत हमको दी है, महाराष्ट्र के सभी समाज के सभी लोगों ने एकता दिखाते हुए महाराष्ट्र में मतदान किया है। मैं विशेष रूप से हमारी लाडली बहनों का, लाडले भाइयों का, लाडले किसानों का, सभी का बहुत आभार व्यक्त करना चाहता हूं।
लाडकी बहीण असेल, लाडका भाऊ असेल, लाडका शेतकरी असेल, महायुतीवर प्रेम दाखवलं आणि त्यामुळे मी सगळ्या मतदारांना मनापासून धन्यवाद देतो आणि त्यांना एवढ्या मोठ्या ऐतिहासिक विजयासाठी साष्टांग दंडवत घातला पाहिजे.
The Mahayuti is riding high on its flagship pro-women scheme Ladki Bahin and SOPs for farmers. Equally helped by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's "Ek hai to safe hai" war cry.
प्रधानमंत्री जी ने एक जो नारा दिया था, एक है तो सेफ है, सब समाज को साथ में लाने वाली जो बात प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कही थी, महाराष्ट्र के लोगों ने उसको रिस्पॉन्ड किया है और महाराष्ट्र के सभी समाजों ने एक साथ मिलकर एक बड़ा मैंडेट हमको दिया है.
The BJP's stellar show apart, it was the high strike rate of allies CM Shinde's Shiv Sena and Ajit Pawar's NCP which led to the never-before-seen tally for Mahayuti. While Shinde beat Uddhav in Sena legacy battle, Ajit Pawar eclipsed patriarch Sharad Pawar.
This has been a great moment for us and for the entire Mahayuti. Everybody worked together and our schemes were so beneficial for the people, and especially women voters came out in large numbers. So we are very happy, of course, and I think this has been one of the most spectacular victories in the history of Maharashtra.
Massive celebrations erupted outside Devendra Fadnavis, Eknath Shinde and Ajit Pawar's homes. This mandate is historic because this is the first time an alliance has won over 200 out of 288 seats. BJP with 85% strike rate secured more than double the seats compared to Aghadi alliance put together, making it the biggest win for a pre-poll coalition since 1972. With a little about 10% strike rate, it was worst ever performance by Sharad Pawar. The Congress also singed the alliance it led with a drastically low strike rate. With a super-massive mandate, it's the Mahayuti tsunami in Maharashtra. Bureau Report, India Today.